Yield management in Simpra inventory. In Simpra inventory, the yield management is used to break down a stock item and create multiple stock items. To access the yield management module, log in to the yield management under cost controls. In order to perform shredding operation, we press the Add Yield button. As in other modules, we can perform the shredding process manually or via the list. First of all, the store and date we will do shredding are selected. Then we select the yield item that we will shred. For example, beef carcass. After making our selection as a unit, we enter how much amount of shredding we will do in the quantity field. For example, we will shred a 50 kilogram beef carcass. In the price section, if we want the stock to be calculated from the average cost, the average price option should be selected. Or if we want it to bring the cost from the related delivery note or invoice, we can also choose from the price section. In the loss group section, we select in which loss group we want the loss that will occur after shredding. Here we will see our previously defined losses. For example, yield waste group. And then we press the Add Yield button. In the Shredding Detail Edition area, we can start entering the stock items that will occur after shredding. For example, let's assume that a 10 kilogram beef fillet comes out of a 50 kilogram beef carcass. Let's enter 10 kilograms in the quantity section. In the price section, we select how the pricing of the resulting product will be. We can calculate it from the main product, the beef carcass, we can price it at the last purchase price of the resulting product, or we can define the cost of the resulting product by adding a percentage to the cost of the main product. Let's continue with the price of the main product. Let's press the Add Yield Detail button. For example, beef ribeye steak, 10 kilograms. Let's mark it as a percentage of the main product price. For example, 10%. Let's say add it on. Let's press the Add Yield Detail button. And finally, minced beef. Let's say it's shredding at 20 kilograms. And let's mark this as the last purchase price. As you can see, we will see the final price of ground beef. And by saying Add Yield Detail, let's complete our document. After entering the stock items that occur after the yield process, we will see the stock quantities to be shredded in detail on the screen that appears after entering the stock items, and then the amount of loss in the loss percentage. If we are sure that the records entered are correct, we press the Save button after making our final checks. After the yield process is finished, 50 kilograms of beef carcasses that we shredded as a result of the document we saved will be deducted from our stocks, and the stock quantities we have entered from beef products will appear in stocks as surplus value.